Good morning, class. Today's date is 16/12/20, period 3rd, class 7th, duration 35 minutes, subject biology, topic. Now I am going to ask some question, and if you know the answer, then give your answer in a proper sentence. Give any three wild animals name. Three wild animals name are tiger, lion, and elephant. Where do the tiger elephant live? Tiger and elephant lives in forest. What is present in the forest except animals? In the forest, trees, herbs, insects, and rivers are present. How trees, rivers, and insects help each other? Trees gives oxygen to insects and river gives clean water. What do you call the interaction among living and non-living beings make a system of interdependency? Okay, so today's topic is ecosystem. Now I will teach you ecosystem in detail. Ecosystem. The human beings needs water to drink, soil to grow crops, and to make house. It is clear that all living beings depend on each other, living or non-living beings, for maintaining life. The interaction among living and another living or non-living makes an ecosystem. Biotic component. Component of an ecosystem are biotic component. All the living beings can come under biotic component. Example: human, plant, microorganism, animal, birds. There are following types: producer, consumer, decomposer. Abiotic components. The major abiotic component in the environment are air, water, soil, light, temperature, humidity, etc. are also non-living component of abiotic system. Functions of ecosystem. It regulates the essential ecological process, supports life system, and breeders stability. It also responsible for the cycling of nutrient between biotic and abiotic components. It maintains a balance among the various trophic levels in the ecosystem. What do you understand by ecosystem? Ecosystem is a system in which living beings interact with non-living as living organisms. What are the different types of biotic component? Different type of biotic components are producer, consumer, and decomposer. What are the different examples of biotic component? Examples of biotic components are human, birds, animals, and microorganisms. How many kinds of component of an ecosystem? There are two type of uh, component in an ecosystem, that is abiotic and biotic. And give an example of producer. Example of producer is trees, plant, and some microorganisms. Okay, now we solve fill in the blanks. The two component of ecosystems are biotic and abiotic. Green plants are called as producers. The two types of consumers are primary and secondary. The abiotic component are light, water, soil. The system of interdependency of living beings and physical environment is called ecosystem. So student, note down this homework on your notebook. Write the importance of an ecosystem in brief. Thank you.